Hello everyone. In last lecture we discussed linear combination of atomic orbitals. In this there are 3 points. First is bonding molecular orbital, second is antibonding molecular orbital, and third is non-bonding molecular orbital. In this lecture we discuss difference between bonding and antibonding molecular orbitals. First point is in bonding molecular orbital, it is a result of addition of two wave function, that is psi a and psi b of atomic orbitals. In mathematical representation is psi b means psi small b means bonding molecular orbital is equal to psi a plus psi b. In antibonding molecular orbital, first point is it is a result of subtraction of two wave functions, that is psi a and psi b of combining atomic orbitals, and the mathematical equation is for antibonding molecular orbital psi a is equal to psi a minus psi b. This is first point between differentiating between bonding molecular orbital and antibonding molecular orbital. Second point is in bonding molecular orbital we are studying in bonding molecular orbital is in phase combination. In bonding molecular orbital or bonding molecular orbital gives in phase combination to bonding molecular orbitals, and in antibonding molecular orbitals out of phase combinations is present, that is out of phase combination gives antibonding molecular orbital. Okay, next third point is in bonding molecular orbital gives less energy than that of combining atomic orbitals, means bonding molecular orbitals gives less energy as compared to their combining atomic orbitals. Okay, and in antibonding molecular orbital it is energy is more than that of combining atomic orbitals, that is their energy is high as compared to combining atomic orbitals. Next, fourth point is electron density is maximum between two nuclei. In bonding molecular orbital, electron density is maximum between two nuclei. In antibonding molecular orbital, electron density is practically nil between two nuclei because of here minus sign. Okay, in bonding molecular orbital next point is it imparts the stability to the molecule. Okay, it is imparts the stability to the molecule. And next, in antibonding molecular orbital it imparts the instability to the molecule, here instability to the molecule. Next point is for bonding molecular orbital is the overlap integral S is more than 0. The overlap integral S is more than 0, and in antibonding molecular orbital the overlap integral S is less than 0. The overlap integral S is less than 0. Next point is addition of electron in this orbital increases stability of the species. In bonding molecular orbital, when addition of electron in these orbitals increases stability of the species. Okay, and in antibonding molecular orbital, when addition of electron, when adding one of the electron in this orbital decreases the stability of the species. Decreases stability of the species. Okay, next point in bonding molecular orbital is this, we all know that these bonding molecular orbitals are indicated by psi, pi, delta and sigma, and antibonding molecular orbital is indicated by sigma star, pi star and delta star. These are the points of Anti-bonding molecular orbital and bonding molecular orbital